How to view debit card number in the Chase app. First thing first, you have to make sure that the application Chase is already installed on your device. Once it is on your device, simply open it. Wait for a while for it to load. Well, you will be landing on this page. So if you already have your account, then tap on sign in. And then enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into a specific account. If you don't have your account yet, then you have to click on sign up and then create one. So once you have been logged into your account, now what you want to do is you have to head over to your settings and then you have to enter your debit card. Once you have entered the debit card, you will be able to purchase anything and also view the detailed information of your card. In order to view your debit card number, then what you want to do is you have to tap on bank account. Scroll down and locate account services. All you want to do is click on it. After that, you have to click on stored cards and then select debit card. The detailed information of your card will be available to you. But you have to note that you will only be able to see the last 4 digits of your debit card number. In order to view the full number, you have to open the site of Chase on any of the web browser and then log into a specific account. Head over to details of your debit card and then you will be able to view your full debit card number. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can view debit card number on Chase app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.